Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So in this video, we will see about the form elements. In the previous video, we have covered the how to add the form tag, okay, and how to create the form, okay. Similarly, we can create the different forms, okay. So there are different elements are there in the forms. In yesterday's video, we have seen the like input and the label in elements, okay. So in this video we will see the rest of the elements, or we can see like one by one, okay. So first one we will see with the select element, okay. So how can we use this select element and what is the purpose of this select element, okay. So have you seen any kind of drop downs? Okay, so in the any kind of like website, so there is some kind of drop downs will be there. So I can use that kind of drop down using this form. Okay. So form, I'll just create another form here. And so here I'll write it select. Okay. You can give the name anything. For example, I'm making it as a cloud institution. Okay. And ID as a cloud. Okay. So whichever you would like to. Okay. Now, so what I'll do here, as of now, you can see that. So let me run this. Okay, I'm just going live. So there is C. You can see like kind of drop down element is there now. See, if you use the select option, so it will create a drop down like drop down elements. Okay. So what I'll do here, if I want to add some kind of elements in this, so I can just use the option. Okay, option tag. So you might have seen the option tag here also. That is option element is there. So this option element I'm using in that. Okay, so however I'm covering the option element within the select. Option means we are giving the multiple datas in that. So for example, you might have seen the any kind of menu bar with a drop down. So there is like, so you will be having a multiple options, right? So you can click any of the options to redirect into another pages or like selection option you can see. So at that time, so I can use the what option and value I'm just giving it as a AWS. Okay, here I'll just make it as a AWS. Okay, next one I'll just give it as another option. So I can use how many option I want. Okay. So here I'll just make it as a Azure. Here also Azure. Okay. And another one is option. I'll make it as a HTML. Here I'll make it as a HTML. And option again I'll add. You can add how many you want. It's not like it is limited. So you can add how many you want. Okay. CSS and CSS. Okay, I'm adding these all things. Okay, so now let's see. So what all things to be added? Okay, so you can see that in the select option, there is a AWS option is also visible, Azure and the CSS. So you can use the word select option to create a one kind of drop down. Okay, selection option. Okay, so this is how it will be working. Okay, so in the form you might have seen there is like for the countries and mobile number code or something like that. So you will use that kind of drop down, right, to select that one particular. So same thing you can create using the selection option, select element to give this kind of drop down. Okay, I hope this select element is understood by this video. If you have any doubts or if you have any doubts in this select element, you can comment it out. And if you like this video, please hit on the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.